Tell me about my pum pum when I never hear somebody say. Still bad. Come with something different. Come with something different. Rent due, pussy problem. Come with something different. We're tired of Vani pussy. We're tired of hear about over. We're tired of hear about stretch out. We're tired of hear say kill man. We're tired of hear say man no want because it's me. We're tired right now.
Because the eye doctor
Something
look here for check your pussy.
And I'm convinced that you don't want to eat me front.
Ivany, I know you're going to
convinced that you don't want to eat me front, but you don't know how to ask me. Because only a person will want to get involved with my front talk so much about my front. You never go there, but I know you want to go there. You know you want to go there because you could never have things to talk about my front. So. Anytime you hear them say something about my front, them want to eat it or them want to send them man to come eat it. Or maybe me did take them man, because I fuck Batty man too. So no more than me did fuck one of your man them. And he come tell you my pussy sweet. But you can't stand say sweet, you come class me say dirty. Just like the other one too. We say me need this to wash up my front. Look like a man tell her how sweet my front be and she didn't like it, so she come mix door in and tell me say me need to wash it up. You look a bit all my front on a bad mind. My front is a hot topic, my pussy card.
Dear,
front of hot topic.
So cocky like dear.
No, you never go there, but you know have something to say.
Me no know that. You don't want to know that. That me someone tell me.
Ear say. Now who from out your ear it from? Let me ever catch my pussy. Oh, you have to try to shame somebody will come telling about your pussy. I may take my pussy pill them show. You forgot? I may take my pum pum pill them show. You forgot? I may push up jelly in my pussy show. You forgot?
Yes, I
may crash my front and smell it and say no way I got doctor. You forgot? I may tell you some pum pum things I got doctor one day. Push up in there. You forgot? So how you gonna tell me something that I tell you? You can't tell me what I tell you. You can never tell me when me tell you. Anything you know use a pussy, let me tell you about my pussy. And then you go like say who is that girl about clot. Clot what kind of blood clot tea. Go turn over the clock to who belong to, which is me. I'm telling you about my front. When you look a bit on bad mind, you can be the awesome mad.
We never see a baby pound the fix up. We never see a baby as someone
bad mind. You look a bit on bad mind. You couldn't stand the fact. Some there, I clean up my place. It hurts you. You don't have a dress to move. You don't have a sofa to move. You don't have nothing. You don't even take a little time and buy something nice. I'll go on Amazon or Shein and buy something good. Phone money that's in a phone pocket and then you want to come try use style. But oh, we are going to dead left it one day. Move your dirty blood clot. So if you are dead one day, you don't have no clothes. Because clothes are vanity. Take off the clothes where you have on now, because you're going to die. So come on TikTok.
I meet you for the ask where she have in her house. Me never ask you where you have in your house. So check your mate. All your hyper your mate still stink. All your hyper your mate still stink. All your hyper your mate still stink. Clean up outside you still stink. All your hyper your mate still stink. All your clean up you still stink. Remember, so we know you're stinking, Ivany. You forgot? Remember, so we know you're girl where man fuck for 3 piece. Remember we seeing at the video. Remember you are still.
So you can't get along with woman because you want to be
all you clean up your house.
I forgot to woman come with ambition. Batty man is just a batty man. Right? Woman come with ambition. I want to go to woman. We are go ambitious in a life. Uno ambitious is for cause. Uno ambitious is for try outdo we.
That you try do. But remember you not have a land. All your skin out your pussy you still not have a land. When girl make money, girl drop land. Rent a kill the two away if we can't pay the rent. We furniture their door. You can't more than me. Come suck me. Cause you can't suck. Come suck out my wall. You can't suck. Cause you tell me come suck you and doctor look for you. And
man should act like a big bleach out man. You look like the bottom shrimp them. You look like steel shrimp. You want to carry belly so bad you run go put on gender reveal and baby shower. It is sad. And the Bible tells you that when you see things like this.
What she upset with me a long time? This a girl want to tell me something. That girl is upset with me. A long time that girl want to tell me something. That girl are upset on me a long time. She want
Moody was a bad man. Bad man are for the haters, them will come about me. But Batty man like, jealous. That's the word, jealous. I will never say a bad man. Bad man no fit But I say jealousy is an elevating. And jealousy can lead to bad vibes. Because you want what they have. You want that big fat thinking. Hey, if you don't know say you want that thinking pussy, I forgot doctor go clean it up. You would have take my pump me for even for go down a blood clot the rock of Gibraltar. If I even wash it off with a little holy water and stitch it up for your dirty wood, you would have want it. I'm not ask you. Remember, I have to douche before me fucking I wonder if you know say I have to douche. A filthy water you play up in a dirty water. I rather walk with a stinking pussy than a shitty pussy. Shitty pussy you have. Shitty pussy girl. You can't argue with me. See your pussy shit up. Man can't walk the phone of pussy and be a shit a drop out there. Pussy fit clean. If said come out of my front, but just go upstairs and go wash it out and that's it. Or me get a pill and push up and that's it. Clean. Phone body have shit. When on a post that the pill there for phone body, the shit plus the pill still come down. Sand still in there. So you want to argue with me? No bottom doodle up.
You still know one up.
I rather walk with a stinking pussy than a doodle pussy. Go and douche. Any man come before you. You have to get a back and douche. I don't have to do that, baby. After period, I take my money system, push up, that's it. If I smell anything, I go to the doctor, take one tablet, that's it. You don't have to over water for your 10 hours. And 4 times you catch back of water, douche.
From the boy left
you stop cook. You can't put on a face in a man face. Your hand smell like shit. Lele water, shit water you have to all 4 different buckets you have in your house full of douche water.
From the boy left you stop cook.
Another house they must
stink. From the boy left you stop cook. You drop off a
sheep. All of your house must stink.
From the boy left you stop
shit water.
Ivany, you think long time.
Pure shit water.
Ivany,
you know you style it, you know. Up your bed, your shit, you know. Remember we see your bed. Remember we see your dirty deeds, them, you know. Remember when the picture did come out, a shit bed there, you know. We see you raw living shit for your bed, you know. I hear that try to hide it like a black stone. You know, like when you go to pedicure. And when you do the pedicure, them have the black stone they rub for your foot. Come on live, I talk about a black stone. Ah, shit.
I'm gonna check.
Anything you see on this sheet, look a black out. Anything you see sheet, mix with different color. Douche water, depending. Living condition is bad. Fresh candy, you see fresh. Nothing boy you. The only thing about you is your slang them, my dear. Douche water, my dear. Candy the douche bucket is inside, my dear. Candy the shit bed inside, my dear. Candy how much you clean out the garbage out of you?
Because I just say to her, say, Ivany the boy down to a stiffer titty.
You don't clean out the garbage them.
It burns.
You don't clean out the garbage. You don't clean out the garbage them.
It burns.
Shit pit. That's what you are. Shit pit.
All she up on herself on a one and I run to buy furniture. Who she wants the furniture? And who she wants the furniture? Cause she talk about triple a hot girl for her. Triple no fuck out like Ivany. Ivany fuck out more than triple. All she want. Ivany fuck out more than triple. Ivany a girl will swallow all come. I me never swallow come. Them a girl have been through the storm with them throat. Them a girl have been through the storm, mama, with them throat. Them a girl have been through the storm with them all. Any man will fuck she can't get no blood clot, girl. I show a pussy. Man fuck pussy, but man now fuck fair one. Ivany pussy and the only pussy couldn't suck. All she go and triple a hot girl for her. Cause she no hot girl for triple. Cause she fuck out more than triple. Triple a hot girl for she. She still no have a land. She no have a land. Ivany don't have a land. All she skin out her pussy, she still no buy a land. When she skin out her pussy and buy a land, Then she can't come back to me. Her pussy never get her land. She fuck out. She put no fuck out like how Ivany fuck out. Ivany fuck out more than Triple. So when Ivany attack, I waste that time. And I mean, she have sure her mate no want to see it. Her mate no want to see it. Ivany fuck right out. Cause she knows she fuck out more than Triple. And what day she shoot a video and I cry. And what day she shoot a video skin out her pussy and I cry. And what day she shoot a video and I cry. Why skin out a stinking pussy and I cry? Cause it stink, that's why you skin it out. Woman not show a price. Lady don't show a price. You have to come to a lady to see her price. Them a girl you fuck out. Them a girl you take more than 2,000 man. Them a girl you belly done. A decent woman not show her privacy. All when it clean. A dirty girl will fuck out a rebound. Fear bite done. A decent woman no skin out her pussy. Rose say she have a child. She can't bring down me. Me will gas her. Me say a decent woman no skin out all. A decent. Your pussy important more than the things them in your house. Your pussy important more than the things them in your house. You're nasty girl. Your girl will have your nails and finger your pussy. You're nasty girl. On the bow out. Your throat been through the storm, mama. Your crotches been through the storm, mama. Only a girl will have infection in her pussy. Walk and show it, so. It's only a girl pussy will full of peer infection. Walk and show it, so. No righteous woman not show her pussy, so. This a price. Pussy under your foot a price. You don't know when you can book up a rich man. I know every man kill it. And every man suck pussy. And every man do nastiness. When you shove a dead wood in her mouth. How you feel? You look up pitney and grow up in her age. And I grow up and see a lot of mummy and suck a wood. Why make you never suck the wood before you have pitney? A bad reputation. Red flag. Bad reputation. Move your suck with blood clot. What do you have a dead wood in your mouth? What do you have a dead wood in your mouth? I have a local pitney. What grow up, come, say that. You think me could I do that? And just sugar pitney, my pitney I grass and mommy and what are you this? Cause people are just showing. Mommy and what are you this and what that? Bad reputation. Red flag. And move your blood clot. You can't class me. No, can't class me. My head, my shoulder, my knees, my toe. No, can't class me. Move your dirty blood clot. Ivany has stink up the place. Long blood clot time. So you can't argue with me. Or what do you have a young blood clot? Every minute you kiss the pitney and you walk a suck out. You will give the baby rush. So cocky girl. Lick out batty girl. You walk a lick out batty every minute you kiss the pitney. Him young same way you will get the pitney rush. So cool. It'll get too far now. Come here the mother up. So guess what? Me left for you. It'll get too far. Ivany one stinking girl. She walk and suck pure. And you have a look of blood clot. Baby a pitney and grow up and see you so good. Like dog. That's why I see cliche her what he and shock. You sorry for that? Drunk up and blood clot limb. You sorry for that? Drunk up and 3 blood clot limb. You sorry for that, but she cry? You know so sweetly shame her blood clot what day. She feel like a dog. She have a hood in her mouth when dead. Why me can never make the people them see the video when I suck your pussy? Cause the man now suck her pussy, it stink. Ivany full of peer scent. Them can't argue with me cause she attack her pussy no give her a land. Ivany pussy don't give her a land. Ivany pussy don't give her a land. Every minute she have a different hood in her mouth and she have a young baby a kiss. Every minute she a kiss the baby. You will get the baby rush in her blood clot mouth. Your bad reputation. You think it's only a girl when you say them pussy infected walk and skin it out, so. Now ordinary woman now skin out them crotches, so. It's only a girl who have infection in her pussy, skin out that blood clot there. Have it a circle about the place. A real woman. A real indecent woman, intelligent blood clot woman that skin out her pussy. To the world public. That means that not good. You can't know when something not good. That means that not good. That's how life go. Come let me tell you about blood clot life if you don't know. A boy with know say you have something. And you give him something. Him prefer left you more than come talk. Because guess what? The mother say you have it too. You never know that. Tell them they drunk with a go on and a go on and a go on and a flip and a go on. Me say, when them are drunk prayer and the man them find out say them have the gun in a baggie and them give the man them the gun in a baggie, them now they come talk to people and they say yes, them have it too. I want to move your rotten pussy blood clot, eye doctor look for you. Stop saying your
Move your dirty blood clot. Check.
Me say, so let's say Ivany that kill up herself and I go and she stink. She clean up the house and she stink. Why cleaning up the house and you stink? You still stink. She class back her blood clot. That's all I say. Why clean up the house and you still stink? You clean up the house and you still stink. That don't make no sense. You clean up the house and you still stink. Every minute you have a hood in her mouth. And a kiss the look of young blood clot baby. A rush up the look of boy mouth with a stinking self. The class back you stinking blood clot. Cause you fuck out a pay body man fuck you. Your throat been through the storm, mama. Your throat been through the storm, Ivany. Your look of pussy been through the storm. I move your stinking blood clot and go. Anyone on the class, my class back on the blood clot. Any juggler on the depart, me depart the juggler too. Anyone on the class, my class back on the blood clot. And I did say it there. I got myself what time I move. Click the match. That road and I can do it. That road and I can do it. That road and I can do it. Me done with them. Me I try got number 3. Me done with she. Me not see nothing. No, can't class me. I'm class back on the blood clot. Cause we don't have a land. I doctor look for Ivany pussy. I doctor. She tell me come suck her and doctor look for her for put 2 drip for her pussy. Oh, me for suck you and doctor look for you for put 2 drip for your blood clot pussy. I doctor look for you. Ivany lift up. You can't suck. Every day you have a different hood in your mouth. All the girl will walk and skin out them pussy, a girl will sick. You never book a real girl and send out them price. Yeah, more than us. Yes, it's very sensitive, very delicate. Girl cherish this more than house. You're glad you're when I walk and stink up the whole blood clot test, when you look a bit and pretty, when you look a bit and pretty, when you look a bit and pretty and I think up the whole blood clot place, but she left the boy. It can't be fair look up blood clot front and think up the whole place, and the boy left she. The blood clot, I got myself one more time I move, and it casts an argument. No, can't class me, because your throat been through this storm, mama.
Yep.
You look up pussy been through this storm, mama.
Ashakos. Thank you.
That 8 rows. No, can't class me. I'm class back on the blood clot. Me tell you now, come over here, girl. Oh.
Good. Thank you.
Yeah, give me triple a lady for you. It's just that triple a bigger like we, but triple a lady for you. The pussy they eat with not a blood clot so. I know I argue with people. And phone no pussy the east, west, north, and blood clot south. You look at pussy come like a yo-yo. Every man come get a try. Try triple. Try triple.